Are you struggling to turn a mountain of messy spreadsheet data into clear insights during your lecture? Try using Gemini to bridge the gap between raw data and student understanding by cleaning and visualizing complex datasets in real time. Imagine you're in a geography seminar analyzing 30 years of erratic rainfall patterns across sub-Saharan Africa.
Simply upload your raw CSV file to Gemini or select a Google Sheet and then enter this prompt.
Clean this dataset by standardizing the measurement units and handling null values. Then, create a line graph showing precipitation trends by country. Gemini instantly generates an accurate graph, followed by a breakdown of its data cleaning steps and a summary of trends your students can use in their reports. To extend this idea, ask Gemini to compare these rainfall trends against regional deforestation rates to identify potential correlations. Seeing these patterns side by side provides an immediate visual link between forest loss and climate shifts, sparking a deeper discussion on environmental policy.
This approach models real-world data literacy for your students, turning static numbers into actionable insights.
Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.